Hello guys, welcome back to my channel ScienceLink affiliate marketing course for beginners to expert level. So in my earlier session I've clearly shown you how to sign up for JVZoo affiliate platform, and in my upcoming videos I'm going to show you exactly how to promote or how to get approval from this JVZoo products and promote it. But with lot many requests, I've got another query stating like lot many people all across the world, like they are facing some sort of issues signing up with ClickBank. Okay, so this is one of the affiliate platform where we are going to find n number of affiliate products over here. So here we can sign up as an affiliate as well as an vendor. Okay, we have two options, but there are lot many queries stating like from India, Bangladesh as well as from Pakistan. I've got a few queries. Those people are saying like they cannot sign up for ClickBank. Okay, once they come across with the problem, they're facing some issues at the end of creating account. So I have two suggestions like before you sign up for ClickBank. One is that earlier when you are directly coming across with ClickBank, you need to search something about affiliate marketing, like there need to be some cookies stored in your system related to affiliate marketing. Okay, please keep this thing in mind. Okay, so if you would like to sign up for ClickBank today, then 1 week before you try to search or do a market research on affiliate marketing, so that it would be very easy for you. Like ClickBank would be knowing you, this so and so candidate is very good at affiliate marketing, and they would be giving access to your account. And apart from this, we have another option, like you need to install a VPN. Okay, there are some paid VPNs as well as free VPNs. Okay, you can make use of those VPNs. So I have a VPN called, let me check with that. See, free VPN for Chrome. Okay, you can make use of this VPN. Okay, just install it, activate it, and select location as apart from USA, select any other country location like Germany, maybe Singapore would be good to go. So please select Singapore and go with sign up process. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how to sign up for ClickBank now. So please follow this video, and if you are new to this channel, I request you to please subscribe and hit that bell icon. Why? Because you won't be finding this legit information anywhere all across YouTube. I am giving you valuable information, like you won't be also getting it in the paid courses. Okay, everything I would be giving you across here in my YouTube channel. So please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any notification next time from my end. So let's move with the first step. So I'm going to click on sign up now. Let's see what it would be asking. See, it's 100% free to join. Your information will never be shared or sold. You need to read their privacy policy. Okay, so I'm going to select country as India. Why? Because I am from India, and I'm going to give my first name, last name, mobile number, email address, password, and I would be like rectifying each and everything. I would be making sure like this all are eligible in my password and email address, and I'm going to read the terms and conditions, and I'm going to check this and click on join ClickBank. Okay, so let me finish this now. I've entered my password and I've clearly make sure like all the tick marks are eligible. So you make a password in such a way like it has uppercase, lowercase, and special characters in it. And then after I need to read these terms and conditions, so I'm going to click on this. So I'm going to scroll it completely down. If you have time, then you can go pause with it, and I'm going to click on accept agree for terms and conditions, and I'm going to click on join ClickBank. And one thing you need to make a note, like I'm not using any VPN, okay, and I'm from India, so there might be an issue for you before signing up. Like what I've said you before, you need to have some searches on affiliate marketing as well as on drop shipping or anything related to marketing. Better to have an search on affiliate marketing. So let me try it from my end. So I'm just creating this brand new account without using any VPN. So if I come across any problem, then I would be following the same method with the use of VPN. Okay, so you need to, like vice versa, like you need to follow the method if it doesn't work, what I'm showing you right now. So I'm going to click on join ClickBank. So let's see what would be the next process. So congrats, you are eligible for 7 days of free affiliate marketing course. If you are interested, then you can please click on yes, I'm interested. So I'm a beginner, so I'm going to, like, for sure I'm going to click on yes, I'm interested. So it would be diverted me to another page, but when I click on the dashboard, you can see list and accept. So attention ClickBank vendors and affiliates, so you need to read this. Okay, so it's my suggestion, like you need to download it. Okay, and here we have been diverted to a product on ClickBank. So this is also an affiliate product. So that's it. I'm not going to watch that video at present. As you are a beginner, you need to watch it. And here we need to complete our profile. So once I click on complete profile, so I need to enter my first name, last name, and there would be like an option to enter an alternate email ID. Do it, enter your address, everything. So once you have completed all the options, then you need to click on save. So once you click on save, let's see what it would be happening next. So your profile has been updated successfully. Okay, now my profile is updated successfully, and I'm going to click on save. That's it. See here, the dashboards are enabled now. So this is called the marketplace, and here you would be finding your account. So you need to create your account now. So let me go to dashboard now. Let me go to dashboard and see whether I can create an account there on. See here, I'm getting an option, create an account. So I sell my own product or would like to promote other products. Okay, so you click on sign up, and here click on create an account, and you need to give your nickname over here. So I would be giving, so I would be giving like a nickname called Mahesh Afi. So make sure like this nickname should be followed throughout your whole process. Okay, so, congratulations, the nickname is available. So account type, I'm an affiliate, so I'm going to click on sign up now. So let's see whether my account is, see Mahesh Afi created successfully. So my account is also created successfully, and here once I click on marketplace, here you would be finding all the affiliate products. Okay, once I click on search, see here you are finding the list, the complete list of products on ClickBank. So from here you can click on promote, here your nickname. So earlier I've created an account and a nickname there, so you need to enter that and click on generate hop link, so that your affiliate link would be generated and you can promote it without any website. Okay, so this is how we need to create your affiliate or sign up for your ClickBank affiliate program. So if you have any queries guys, please comment down below. I would be surely helping you out. Like lot many people are facing issues signing up to ClickBank, but what I've suggested, the 2 points, keep in mind. Okay, you can please follow the 2 points. If not, the second point would be helping you out directly, but my suggestion is to move genuinely. Okay, I work genuinely, I earn money genuinely in affiliate marketing, so I request you to follow all the genuine process, and do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon. In my upcoming classes I'm going to show you exactly how to generate this hope link or the affiliate link, and how to promote it by making use of various different platforms. Okay, by making use of social media and other different platforms. You might not be knowing those platforms, so I'm going to come up with those ideas which would be helping you out to get affiliate sales for sure. So please subscribe, hit that bell icon. See you in the next session. Bye bye, take care.